What's going on? What's going on? Welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you're new here. My name's Sam. Welcome to the Sam fam. Today we're bumming it in the kitchen, excuse the look, but we're gonna be cooking and trying out some foods. Before we even get started in today's video, please do me a favor and make sure to subscribe. We are so close to 5,000 subscribers. Who knows, by the time this video goes up, we may be at 5,000 subscribers, and if that's the case, thank you. As you can see from the title, today we're gonna be trying out 2 different types of plant-based protein burgers and reviewing them and giving you guys my opinions on them. Shout out to my friend Janisha. She is the one that suggested this video. So today we are trying out both the Beyond Burger and the Impossible Burger. I've had the Beyond Burger before, but I'm just gonna do a comparison together to see how I like them. If you guys do enjoy these type of videos, please don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. It definitely helps me out a lot. Comment down below what your favorite plant-based proteins are, what your favorite vegan options are. I'm personally not vegan, I am pescatarian, but I do like to try new vegan things sometimes. And I am trying to, I hate the word trying, but I'm actively removing some dairy from my life because I want to be dairy free eventually. So we are gonna be eating a vegan cheese today that my other friend Ebony suggested. So I'm excited to try out all this stuff. I have all the ingredients here, which I'll show you guys. And yeah, we're gonna get to cooking and then try them out for you. So like I said, please don't forget to subscribe, give the video a thumbs up, comment down below, and why not follow me on Instagram too while you're at it, SamAlexandria. All right guys, let's go ahead and get started. Okay. All right guys, so I have the Impossible meat here. I actually had to form a patty out of that one. And then here is the Beyond Burger. I'm just gonna cook these up. They take really quick to make, usually like 5 minutes or so. I just got myself some new spatulas, so I'm excited to use this from KitchenAid. But yeah, so I'm just gonna let this cook, and then we're gonna start putting the burger together once these are done. Okay, I'm gonna throw these buns in the oven really quick. I'm just toasting them. I don't have a toaster, and I don't want it all the way toasted, but just a little bit. Almost burnt myself. Okay, probably leaving them there for, I don't know, 5 minutes if that. Okay guys, so we have the Violife cheese, the lettuce, tomatoes, avocado, red onion, pickles. I ordered these from Instacart and they got me the bread and butter pickles. I hate bread and butter pickles because they're sweet, so that's just for my boyfriend. But I got some ketchup, some Dijon, and he likes mayonnaise on his burgers, but not I. So yeah, that's what we got, and I'm about to start whipping up the burgers in a second here. Okay guys, so here's my Impossible Burger and my Beyond Burger. So I'm gonna put this one right here. Oh, actually, I lied. I like to do a little. Actually, I don't want that. Do I want Dijon? Sure, why not? No, I don't. I don't want Dijon. I lied. I want spicy brown mustard. So I'm gonna use spicy brown mustard for mine. A little here, a little here. I'm gonna do ketchup today just because I'm feeling fine. Ugh, this is a new ketchup, so I'm about to take the thing off. Okay. So I'm gonna add a little ketchup, Boom. Now I'm gonna take my buns, smash them together, get a little bit everywhere. All right, now I'm gonna take lettuce, put it on both sides. Actually, I'm not gonna use that part. So now, Impossible patty here, Beyond patty here. I'm gonna throw some of the Violife cheese on it, or Violife. I should have put it on there when it was on the grill so it could like melt. That would have been smart, but I didn't. Okay, I'm gonna take some onion. Sometimes I like grilled onion, sometimes I like fresh. Today I wanted it fresh, so that's what we got. I'm gonna take some tomato. avocado. I don't want any pickles on mine, so we're gonna call it a day here and top them up. And I'll be back in a second to do the taste test. All right, guys, so I have both of my burgers here, and I got some chips. I'm excited to try these. I've never tried them before. Tropical salsa. Babe, did you try to open these? Suspect, but it's fine. Okay, anyways, I'm gonna try both of these burgers now. I'm excited. Wait, let me look. Okay, this is the Beyond one. Oh wait, let me get a little thumbnail really quick. Okay. Ooh, no, my patty's falling apart. Okay. So here we go. Here's the Beyond one. The Beyond one gives me that grill taste. It like makes me think of like a home barbecue, family barbecue. It gives me that taste. And the cheese is actually really good too, surprise. It's more, it's like a really good meat texture. I don't feel like it's a bunch of vegetables, you know, like how some of the patties feel like that. Okay. Really good. I don't get a lot of seasoning from it necessarily, but it is good. It gives me like a, I don't know if it's like mesquite taste or something. I can't put my hands on what the taste is exactly. But now I'm gonna try the Impossible Burger. This is my first time ever having Impossible Burger. I've never had anything at like a restaurant or anything either. Oh my God. It tastes like meat. That's so weird. That is really weird. It doesn't have the same like barbecue effect that the Beyond Burger gives me, but it tastes like meat. I can't really place the difference. I don't taste vegetables. It's a little bit more seasoned, I think, than the Beyond Burger. That's really good. I don't know. I like them both, but I think that, so I think what I've come to conclusion is like, if you're looking for a burger that tastes like meat, like you're new to the vegan lifestyle or whatever, and you wanna have something that tastes like meat, this is it. This, I feel like almost tastes better-ish, but it doesn't give me a meat feeling. Oh my God, it's really hard to explain. They're both really good, but I feel like the Impossible Burger is like nailed it with the like tricking the mind into thinking it's meat. This hasn't nailed it, but it is really good still. So I like them both, but yeah, I'm not gonna finish both of the buns. I'm gonna actually eat this kind of messily because I'm on a diet and I'm not trying to eat all that bread, but really good. I mean, I think you guys should taste them both for yourselves just to get an idea what you think is better. Personally, I do like the Beyond better than the Impossible, but the Impossible does taste like meat. So that is my verdict. That's how I feel. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I know it's short and not that extravagant, but it was really good. Thank you, Janisha, for the idea. Yeah, and let me know what you guys think below. So I will see you guys in my next video. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll catch you guys soon. Bye.
Yeah. You ran through my mind. It's like I'm on the freeway.